Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to follow popular investors on eToro. Following popular investor on eToro allow you to track their trading activities and learn from their strategies without directly copying their trades. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to eToro. After that, log in using your email address and password. Now, go to the CopyTrader section here. Browse through the list of popular investors and their profiles. You will see key metrics such as risk score, annual return, number of copiers, and asset under management. After tapping on the profile of the investor you would like to follow, you can view their trading activities, strategy, and recent performance. On the profile page, click on this three line here and click on Add to Watch List. By adding them to watch list, you will receive recent updates and their trades and activities, but you won't be copying their trades. After adding to watch list, you can see their trading updates on your feed or portfolio section. You'll be notified whether they make new trades and you can learn from their strategies and insights. So that is how you can follow popular investors in eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.